Okay, so you know when you want your designs to just literally jump right out at you? Today, we're diving into Canva's 3D pop-out effect. This is an amazing trick to add crazy depth and dimension to your photos or art, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the skills to create eye-catching, multi-dimensional artwork that's perfect for those standout social media posts and more. Let's get started. To get started, go to Frames and look for some kind of smartphone. I'll grab this one and resize it a little. What I want to do is put an image inside this area here and then make it look like it is coming out of the phone 3D style. I'll go to Uploads where I've already got some pictures loaded that I want to work with. I'll start with this one. So, I'll take the image and resize it so that the actual height of the image is a little bit closer to the height of the area here on the phone. Then I'll grab this and pull it inside there, like that. Next, double-click it and move it over like that. Then, click Done. So now we can see part of it. So I'll get the image again. Then use the background remover here in Canva. This is a pro feature, so if you don't have a paid Canva account, you'll have to go somewhere else and remove your background for this to work. Once the background is gone, take the second image and you have to be careful, because if you do it wrong, Canva will try to replace the one that's already in there. If this happens, just undo it and try again. You can also use your arrow key to move it into place. If you're not sure, you can always change the transparency to see if they are matching up perfectly. Now it looks like the horse is actually leaving the phone. Let's do another one. So we'll duplicate this page and delete all this for now. Try this motorcycle. We'll do the same thing as before. Let's duplicate this image to make this easier. Double-click it and shift it over. Now let's remove the background. All right. And we'll push him over just like that. You can also check by changing your transparency temporarily to see if everything is lined up properly. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.